Hey everyone, thanks for looking at this. Not really a YouTuber, but thought I'd take a quick video of my Balisong collection. A little bit of sun. So going through these, I got a Microtech Tachyon 3. A Max Ace channel bushing petrol. A Hom Maelstrom. Beagler Archon. One of my favorite grinds right here. Microtech Tachyon 2 Tanto. Yeah, I don't have a Bowie. Always wanted one. Caught this one though, about last year. Mint condition. It was like guy kept it in the safe for pretty much since he bought it, so pretty happy with it. Two of my favorites here, JL Hellcats V2s. Like this recurve Tanto one. Tiger Replicant, alt blade, blacked out OSP Matrix, Replicant with hammer handles. I polished the blade up so it shines a bit. V2 Hinderer Nieves. Got a Lucha fly T handles. And I got one trainer. This is my trainer, the Sphic Scale. By this, you probably won't need another trainer. Best trainer I've ever used. Got my beater Kraken. Got a Quartermaster Marty McFly. Not much of a flipper, but it's pretty good for EDC. Has these little spring pivots so you can change the blades. I got a couple other blades for it. I got a trainer blade. I got the Tanto blade that it came with. I actually bought the Warncliffe for that aftermarket. So this is one of my favorites here. It's a hammer reblade with Kuski rep scales. They call it a Kuski rep, but really not much rep left of it unless the hardware. But it's a great flipper. We got a carbon fiber Bacillus with teal liners. And that's about it. And now we're gonna get down to the Benchmades. Benchmade 62 with EDCK handles. These are actually the best handles for a 6X in my opinion. I love them. It's one of my favorite flippers right here. EDCK 67. Got some USA knife maker pivots on there. This one's actually modded to use bushings, so bushing mod makes it one of the better flippers here in the collection. Got a 63 on Flytanium scales. 51 on Fly T. I think these are V6s. I actually got this in a trade. Benchmade 87. Benchmade 239, old school Zamac handles. I like this though. This one was a save queen as well. It's got perfect tolerances for a pin Balisong. 259S, which does not have perfect tolerance for a pin Balisong, but I love it. You know, I like a vintage Bally. What we got here? Pacific Cutlery model number 68. Little 3-inch blade. Got the Benchmade 41 SS. Thing's a brick, probably about 6-7 ounces heavy, but I like it. Been looking around for a TI one, but I always seem to miss them. What we got here? Benchmade 42 T-latch. I didn't wipe the blade off before I started this video, so I apologize. Got a Benchmade 42S Springer. A personal favorite of my collection here is the Benchmade 42 400. Now they only made about 100 of these produced, so titanium with a clip. One of the few 42s with Zen pins. And this one is number 85 out of 125. But like I said, only about 115 got out of production. A Benchmade 43 MC modified clip. Benchmade 44. Mint conditions for his age. I love these old school Benchmade Tanto styles. Benchmade 44S. Same thing, just serrated. Benchmade 45. Benchmade 45S. Benchmade 46 BKO1. This was a limited run too. These aren't numbered, but I think they only put out like 250 of these. Benchmade 47A. A for anodized. One of my favorite Benchmades in my collection here. And a Benchmade 47 Black. My opinion, out of all the 4X series, 47s probably are the best for just flipping, but I love them. They're getting pretty hard to find, so holding on to these ones. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed my collection video. Have a good one.